Hello, my name is Maurice McDavid, and I am honored to serve as the principal of Dr. Leroy A. Mitchell Elementary School. Today, we are actually on site because there has been a collection of workers who have been working diligently in order to see our school ready for its August 2025 open. And today, we're actually going to take a tour and head on inside. So we're standing now in the library and we are very excited about this space being full of books as well as collaborative spaces. Behind the camera, there's actually going to be a Mitchell media room. There's going to be our main office right here, and soon our office professionals will be sitting there with smiling faces and welcoming people in. So we're standing right now in the midst of our cafeteria. I need you to imagine this place full of children eating. We are fortunate that we'll have a prep kitchen, meaning that food will be prepared on site here, and our students will be able to eat nutritious meals provided for them right here. We're gonna head across the way and we're gonna check out our gymnasium. So this will be the gymnasium here at Mitchell Elementary, and we're really excited because it also is going to have its own HVAC unit. It will double as a storm shelter in case of an emergency, and will be able to maintain its own heat and cooling. But for most of the days, it'll just be a great place for students to come and learn how to maintain our physical well-being. Let's go check out a classroom. I know it might not look like much now, but this is one of our fifth grade, potentially fifth grade classroom spaces. And one of the really neat things about our building is all of the beautiful windows that will allow for lots of natural light to be able to come in. This is in one of the wings, and all the wings are actually the same, but I want to show you something really cool. Leading from the classroom, there will also be a doorway to what's called an innovation pod. And it's in this space that we'll be able to have the students meet with perhaps a reading specialist, a math interventionist, a special education teacher, and it will serve as a great additional learning space where collaboration can happen across the three classrooms. Now, I mentioned to you the natural lighting. I want to show you one more thing. If you come in and you pan up here, you'll actually see that this middle classroom, because it doesn't necessarily have access to the windows that are on the innovation pod, are able instead to have this slanted roof which allows light to come in. Again, allowing natural lighting to hit every classroom that is inside of our building. Really excited about what's going to be happening here. Of course, you'll note we didn't see the art room or the music room or some of the other things, but we will save that for another day. We are so excited about what is happening here at Mitchell. We will certainly be updating you with some other things as we move closer to 2025. But also know that beyond the physical building, we're also working on building staff and programming. So Mitchell is well on its way. We're excited for the newest elementary school building in DeKalb CUSD 428.